Students, today we shall learn future tense. We'll be learning how do we express actions by using future tense. First of all, what is future tense? Future tense is used to express an action or event that is yet to take place with or without a time expression. Means we may use time expression, or without time expression we can express it. For example, I'll stay in Mumbai at my uncle's place. Here we haven't used any time expression. But if I say I'll go to market tomorrow, so here I'm expressing this sentence, I'm expressing action by using time expression tomorrow. So with time expression or without time expression we may express in future tense. Then forms. As we have discussed earlier also, that each tense has 4 forms. Maybe it is simple, it is present tense, maybe it is past tense or future. Each tense has 4 forms like simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. So it also has 4 forms like simple future, future continuous, future perfect, continuous. Now let's understand with the help of rules. In simple future tense we use will or shall plus first form of the verb, means do. Will, shall, do. In future continuous tense we use will, shall plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing, means will, shall be doing, do plus ing, first form. Then future perfect, will, shall, have plus third form of the verb, means will, shall, have done. Next is future perfect continuous, will, shall, have been plus first form of the verb plus ing, means will, shall, have been doing. So this way we use future tense in these 4 forms. Then it's not that future tense we express by using only these forms. We can express by using other forms also. For example, here is note given. Future tense can also be expressed by using simple present tense. Means how do we express future? By using simple present tense. For example, we fly to Delhi on Sunday. We go to market on Monday. So these types of means simple present tense can be used to express future also. The next is using be going to plus first form of the verb. Be means the forms of the verbs. In present tense, the forms of be are is, am, are. So is, am, are plus going to, means with going to plus first form of the verb, means going to build a new house, going to buy a new car, going to purchase a new packet. So these types of sentences we frame or we may express actions in future by using be going to plus first form of the verb. Then next is using present continuous tense, means present continuous tense can also be used to express future tense. For example, we are leaving on Monday, we are moving on Saturday. The next, planned future. Planned future can be expressed as I have discussed earlier by using present continuous tense and by using about to plus first form of the verb also. Is, am, are, about to plus verbs first form. For example, the train is about to reach the station. My friend is about to reach my home. So about to plus first form can also be used to express planned future, that is that we have planned already, planned everything about what we have to do tomorrow, that is. Then let's take examples from our PB, worksheet number 15 of our PB. In worksheet number 15, we are supposed to frame sentences by using future continuous tense. Let's recapitulate the rules. In future continuous tense, we use will, shall plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing. So we are given with subject and verb. Let's frame sentences. Here Tom is our subject, cook is our verb, and by using rules will or shall. So Tom will be cooking food, means shall be first form of the verb plus ing. Tom will be cooking food. Then Mr. Kingsley, here designation given. So Mr. Kingsley will be preparing a report. So this way we can use future continuous tense to frame sentences, to express actions in future. Next worksheet, worksheet number 16 of PB. Here we are supposed to express in future perfect tense. We are supposed to use future perfect tense to frame sentences. We have been given with some clues. Those clues needs to be used to frame sentences. Then let's recapitulate the rules of future perfect tense. Will, shall plus have plus verbs third form. So first clue is roads. So here I think word is written because we are thinking here. We are expressing our own views. So when we express our own views, so we write I think. So I think the government will have started constructing metal roads. Here our subject is the government, then rule, will, shall, have, then third form. The next is houses. I think houses will have replaced multi-story buildings. So we are expressing our own views, own thinking, what is going to happen in the near future. So I think houses will have replaced multi-story buildings. Then schools, I think no schools will have been left. Again, will, shall, have plus third form of the verb. The mechanical teacher will have replaced them. Will, have, third form of the verb. Then books, I think computers will have replaced books. So again, by using rules, we are expressing in future. The next is traffic signals. I think government will have stopped operating traffic signals. Automatic vehicles will have replaced them. So we can use future perfect tense to express these kinds of action. Means in future perfect tense we can express actions by using the rules.